Direct sowing means planting seeds directly into your garden bed. It's mandatory for root crops like carrots or radishes, and also for plants that hate having their roots disturbed, like beans or squash. While starting seeds indoors is generally more reserved for those often tropical plants like peppers and tomatoes that are slow growers and really need to have warm weather to plant into already started instead of starting from seed so they can have enough of a growing season to really produce for you. But let's be honest, by mid-May, not too many of you are probably still starting transplants for tomatoes and peppers. Just go to the garden store and get them there. You can try planting the actual seed in your garden. It might not have enough of a growing season to mature, but you can, particularly if you get a tomato that matures fairly quickly, plant that and be successful. But if you are getting plants that are started at a store, before you put them in the ground, you need to watch this next video where you can fry those plants within the first 24 hours of putting them outside. Right here, you'll see exactly why you need to harden off store-bought plants.